For some reason, this guy just seems to like my bird. Just pull the airplane out, and here he comes. Why? Hello everyone, it's June 8th, and today I've got to take a trip up to Birmingham, Alabama to pay my respects for a good dear friend of mine who passed away a couple of weeks ago, and I am mixed about it. One, that I'm able to make this trip, as in having 694-6 to fly, but two, for the reason that I'm going. But at any rate, come on along, it'll be a good flight.
Palatka traffic, twin Cessnas departing 27 to the north, departing 27 to the north. Palatka traffic.
Approaching runway 09.
All right.
Entered runway 09. 5,900 feet remaining.
One more time through the checklist. All good, ready for takeoff. Airspeed's alive. And we're off center line. That's not good, and let's go flying. That blue line. And away we go. .500 feet. And coming up on 1,000. Palatka traffic, twin Cessnas departing the pattern to the north. Last call. Jacks approach, twin Cessna 69846, looking to pick up clearance.
Twin Cessna 69846, Jack, departure squawk 7342.
7342 for 69846, just off of Palatka.
November 69846, your radar contact 5 west of Palatka. Against altimeter 2995, altitude leaving.
Leaving 2,200.
November 846, clear to the Bravo Hotel Mike Airport via direct Oscar Tango Kilo. Then it's filed on and maintain 1010,000.
And 69846 is cleared to Birmingham, KBHM via direct Oscar Tango Kilo, 10,000, 69846.
You're back correct. Number 831 Papa Jack's approach, good morning.
We're going to come back on the fuel flow in just a moment.
Altimeter 3001, remark. Density altitude 2,500.
We're heading into Birmingham and we're about 20 minutes out.
Your regional airport. Automated weather observation 135 feet.
Captain effect. Flight on ship contact, you have Oscar. Hear me? Information Oscar 1353 Zulu observation. Wind
Birmingham, sir. Bravo, Charlie, Papa, south.
Sky condition.
Sierra 651 Charlie Papa, Birmingham approach, Birmingham altimeter 299 or
222, altimeter 29. Southeast approach traffic in use. Expect visual approach runway 24, visual approach runway 18. 5G no taps in effect.
Departure, number 624, Quebec Sierra, 2000, climbing 4000, runway heading.
Sedation 624 Quebec Sierra, Birmingham departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, clear direct Daves.
Daves, 10,000 for Quebec Sierra.
Citation 1 Whiskey Romeo, descend and maintain 3,000.
Some 3,000 with Romeo.
At Birmingham, Twin Cessna 69846, level at 10,000.
So Cessna 69846, Birmingham approach, expect a visual approach, runway 24, verify you have Oscar.
846, we have Oscar and expect 24.
Runway 18. 5G no taps in effect. 5 on shell contact, you have Oscar.
Citation 4 Quebec Sierra, contact Atlanta Center 132.25.
32 and a quarter for Quebec Sierra.
Wind 320 at 3, 4010, sky condition 2,000, 4,000.
Mooney 43 Victor, change to my frequency 123.8.
22, altimeter 29. Southeast approach traffic in use. Expect visual approach runway 24, visual approach runway 18. 5G no taps in effect. 5 on shell contact, you have
Mooney 43 Victor, last flight, thank you.
Information Oscar 1353 Zulu observation. Wind 320 at 3, 4010, sky condition 2,000, 4,000. 12,000 scat. Temperature 2.22, altimeter 29. Southeast approach traffic in use. Expect visual approach runway 24, visual approach runway 18. 5G no taps in effect. 5 on shell contact, you have Oscar. Information on 135.
Check 367, contact Atlanta Center 134.905.
134.905 for track 367, thank you.
Sirius 1 Charlie Papa, turn 5 degrees left, vectors around restricted area 2102.
And we should be getting our descent here in just a moment. If not, we're going to call and request. Need to be down at about 6,000, so we may as well request now. And Birmingham, Twin Cessna 69846, looking to get down at about 6,000 if possible.
So that's 846, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 4,000.
PD 4,000, 69846. He forgot it.
Clear track 197, Birmingham departure, radar contact, climb to your VFR requested altitude, proceed on course.
Climbing to 3,000, proceed on course, good type
Sky 3731, Birmingham approach, expect visual approach, runway 24, clear direct Hukev, descend and maintain 3,000.
Birmingham, citation 771 Kilo Kilo, just off of Pell City, IFR to Panama City.
Birmingham, Delta 2199, 14, descending, kiosk 1110,000.
Citation 1 Kilo Kilo, maintain VFR out of below 10,000, stand by, I'll try and pull up your clearance, I don't see it.
VFR out below 10,000, 771 Kilo Kilo, we're checking.
Birmingham, Delta 2199, 13, saying 1110,000, kiosk, Oscar, hello.
Delta 2199, Birmingham approach, expect visual approach, runway 24, descend and maintain 5,000.
D10, maintain 5,000, we'll expect a visual 24, Delta 2199.
1 Kilo Kilo, I think you guys were just a little bit early, I got it now, you're squawk 2027.
2027, 771 Kilo Kilo.
Birmingham, Scala 65 at 11,000.
Scout 65, Birmingham approach, expect visual approach, runway 24, descend and maintain 10,000.
0,000, Scala 65.
One Whiskey Romeo, the airport's 12 o'clock, 10 miles reported in sight.
Report is inside. Whiskey Romeo.
Dash 1 Whiskey Romeo, third visual approach, runway 22, Tuscaloosa, radar service terminated. Contact Tuscaloosa Tower 126.3.
Visual 22 going to Tower 263. Whiskey Romeo, good day.
Dash 1 Kilo Kilo, radar contact 10 miles southeast of the Pell City Airport, cleared to the Panama City Airport as filed. Maintain 10,000, expect flight level 190 in 10 minutes. That's filed 10,000, we'll expect 190, 771 Kilo Kilo. Cap 119, Birmingham approach, Birmingham altimeter 29907, advise the weather at Pell City and your approach request. Dash 1 Kilo Kilo, contact Atlanta Center 134.905. 3495, 771 Kilo Kilo. Delta 2199, turn right heading 300, vector sequence.
Right, 300, Delta 2199.
Birmingham approach Bluetooth 1 is 20 miles to the east, inbound, VFR approach, full stop at 1,500 feet, Bluetooth 1.
Bonanza 50 Romeo, contact Huntsville approach 125.6.
125.6 today, 50 Romeo. Departure Delta 2502, 1 point, actually 2,000, climbing 4,000. Birmingham departure Delta 2502.
2502, Birmingham departure, radar contact, climb, maintain 10,000, turn left direct dump.
10,000, left direct dump, Delta 2502.
Birmingham approach Bluetooth 1.
Birmingham crew track 197.
I'm sorry, call approach, say again.
Birmingham approach Bluetooth 1.
Cap 109, roger. And who else called?
Crew track 197 has a request.
Clear track 197, go ahead.
Any chance we can get a pop-up IFR? We're under these clouds. We'll love to shoot a localizer 5 into Bedford.
Clear track 197, roger. You can expect to stand by. And clear track 197. So you said you want to pick up local IFR to shoot the ILS to 5?
Hey, firm, crew track 197.
Clear track 197, roger. You're cleared to the Bessemer Airport. Via radar vector, sliding 230, maintain 3,000.
230, maintain 3,000, clear track 197.
SkyWest 3731, the airport's 2 o'clock and 10 miles reported in sight.
Birmingham approach Bluetooth 1.
SkyWest 3731, roger. Expect ILS approach runway 24. Delta 2199, expect ILS approach runway 24.
Oh, it's 24, Delta 2199.
Skylab 65, flighting 180, descend and maintain 4,000, expect ILS 24.
Alright, 180, 4,000, Skylab 65.
Skywest 3731, 3 miles from final approach, fixed turn right heading 220, maintain 2,600 till established, cleared, ILS runway 24 approach. Delta 2502, contact Atlanta Center 132.25.
3225, Delta 2502.
Cessna 846, flighting 350, vector sequence.
350, 69846.
Delta 2199, 3 miles from SPAT, flighting 260, maintain 3,000 till established, cleared, ILS runway 24 approach.
260, maintain 3,000 till established, clear for the ILS 24, approach Delta 2199.
SkyWest 3731, contact tower 119.9er.
Birmingham approach Bluetooth 1.
Blue 21, Birmingham approach.
Bluetooth 1 is 15 miles to the east of Birmingham, inbound for VFR approach full stop.
Blue 2-1, roger, and you're parking at the west FBO, correct?
Roger, parking at the FBO.
Blue 2-1, squawk 0334.
Blue 2-1, squawk 0334.
And who else called? Scott 65, turn left heading 150 vector for sequence.
Alright, 150, Scarlet 65.
Blue 2-1, radar contact 15 miles east of Birmingham, proceed inbound for Atlantic West, and probably you have information, Oscar.
Blue 2-1, roger, information Oscar.
Skylab 65, 3 miles from SPAT, turn right heading 220, maintain 3000 until established, cleared ILS runway 24 approach.
220, 3000, clear for the ILS runway 24, Scarlet 65.
Class Charlie below in 0.5 miles.
Since that's 846, doesn't look like the visuals are working anymore.
Class
Expect
Charlie
ILS
below
approach
in
runway 24.
0.5 miles.
And 846, can we do a GPS instead?
846, roger, expect the RNAV 24.
RNAV 246946.
Number 1 Charlie Papa, cleared direct, Bravo Whiskey Golf.
Direct following area 1 Charlie Papa.
2199, contact tower 119.9er.
Star Tower 99, Delta 2199, good day.
And for 69846, is that vectors to final or SPAT?
846, you can expect vectors to final.
Vectors for 69846.
Saratoga 4163 Delta, which runway are you departing and how long until you're ready? November 4163 Delta, Birmingham clearance. Number 63 Delta, I understand which runway you're departing and how long until you're ready. Number 63 Delta, roger, you're cleared to the Charlie November India Airport via Maze, that's Mike, Alpha, Yankee, Echo, Sierra, then direct. Maintain 5,000, expect 7,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is this frequency. Squawk 5237, release for departure, clearance void, not off in at 10 minutes. Number 63 Delta, read back correct, talk to you then. Scout 65, contact tower.
Tower 65, yeah.
That's 846, 2 miles from Hukev, turn left heading 260, maintain 3000 until established, cleared on nav, runway 24 approach.
260, 3000 until established, 69846.
Crew check 197, turn 10 degrees right.
10 degrees right, Lieutenant 197.
Blue 21, contact tower 119.9er.
Blue 21 to tower 119.9er.
Cap 119, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 3000. And Cessna 846, contact tower 119.9.
119.9, 69846. At tower, Twin Cessna 69846 with you.
Twin Cessna 69846, Birmingham, tower, runway 24, wind 280 at 4, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24, 69846.
Blue 21, once you get a little closer and I get you guys inside, I'm going to have you turn southwestbound, essentially for to be a right downwind for runway 6 until I can get you guys across the runway.
Blue 21, expecting right downwind.
3 mile final runway 24. 3 mile final runway 24.
Skylab 65, right turn off at the end, hotel to the ramp for me. Y'all have a good morning.
Hi, hotel to the ramp, Skylab 65, thanks.
All right. We are still a little high, but we'll go full flaps now.
500.
We can lose some of that.
500.
And since we're going to the west ramp, we want to lose.
Blue 21, I tell you what,
Want to land.
I have you in sight now. Continue your present heading, and you can expect to cross runway 24 here momentarily. Traffic, you're just trying to get you behind, is currently short final for 24.
Roger, Blue 1, cross 4, expecting traffic.
And finals check.
Number 738, Sierra Juliet, Birmingham, tower clearance, standby.
Winds are from 280.
Blues 21, proceed to the Atlantic West ramp at this time. Land and be at your own risk. Use caution. Current wind here at the field 280 at 4.
Roger, Blue 1,
proceed direct to Atlantic West ramp. Thank you very much.
A solid
738 Sierra Juliet, Birmingham, clearance on departure, fly runway heading, maintain VFR below 3,500. Departure frequency 123.8, squawk 5134.
a solid arrival. Not the best. And 61846 is going to Atlantic.
Skyhawk 83, Juliet, your reback is correct. Data Oscar, ground for taxi. Who else was calling?
69846 is going to Atlantic.
I still did 715, Birmingham clearance request. Number 846, make a right turn there, Hotel 2, join Hotel to the ramp with me.
Right turn at Hotel 2 and stay with you, 69846.
Traffic not available.
Skyhawk 738, Sierra Juliet, Birmingham ground, hold your position for inbound traffic. Steeljet 715, you cleared to Bravo, Foxtrot, India Airport as filed. On departure, fly runway heading, climb maintain 4000. Expect flight level 430, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 127.67, squawk 2007, standby reback. Southwest 1581, Birmingham ground, runway 24, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 18. Steeljet 715, go ahead with your reback. Jet 715, readback is correct. You Atlantic or Millionaire? Jet 715, roger, give me a call ground. Actually, give me a call 19 now when y'all are ready to taxi.
And Tower Blues 2-1 is clear 06 to Atlantic West.
Blues 2-1, roger, frequency change approved. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Southwest 1581, Birmingham ground, runway 24, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 18. Skyhawk 7380 Juliet, behind the traffic on hotel, be runway 24, hotel 4 intersection departure, taxi via hotel.
We got to see what this guy's going to do. All right. We are here. Thank you guys for flying along. And I'll see you on the next video.